Hello friends, today we will see how to find the degree of freedom of given mechanism. So here in first question we can see this is the figure of which we have to find out the degree of freedom. So here for finding out the degree of freedom there are the two criteria are considered. First one is the Glauber criteria and second one is the Kutzbach criteria. So Gruber criteria is used for higher pair mechanism and lower pair mechanism. So here that Gruber criteria can be used for both higher pair and lower pair. Due to that reason, we can use that Gruber criteria for every mechanism. So here I will use that Gruber criteria. Formula of Gruber criteria is F is equal to 3n minus 1 minus P1 minus P2. So due to that reason here that F is the degree of freedom, N will be the number of linkages, and P1 will be the number of lower pair, P2 will be the number of higher pairs. So here in a given mechanism we have to find out the stepwise that degree of freedom, number of links, and number of lower pair, number of higher pair. So that three terms first we have to find out. So here in given figure there are three links are there. This will be the number one links, first one links, this will be second links, this will be the third links. Okay, so number of links are 3. That P1 number of lower pairs. So number of lower pairs here, when lower pair will be formed when two links are connected in such a way that in between that two links there are surface contact is there. So here there will be the pin. So due to that pin what will happen, there will be the lower pair will be formed due to surface contact. So here this will be the number 1 lower pair, this will be number 2, this will be number 3. So here that lower pairs are 3 lower pairs. So here in given mechanism there are no higher pair is there, means there is no line contact and point contact is there. In higher pair there should be a line contact or point contact, but here in given mechanism there is no line contact or point contact. Due to that reason that higher pairs are 0. So now we can find out F is equal to 3n minus 1 and number of links, this will be 3 minus 1 minus 2p, P1 that number of lower pairs are 3 and number of higher pairs are 0. So here we can find out that degree of freedom directly. 3 into 2 minus 6, so 6 minus 6, that will become 0. So here the degree of freedom of this mechanism is what? That will be the 0. So this mechanism will be structure. The mechanism which has degree of freedom 0, so that mechanism will become structure. So there will be no relative motion in between that three links. Okay, so here now next mechanism we will see. This mechanism is single slider mechanism. This mechanism will be used in IC engine. So here we can see, so here also we can use that Gruber criteria. According to Gruber criteria, formula of Gruber criteria is F is equal to 3 n minus 1 minus 2 P1 minus P2. Okay, so 3 n number of links. So first we have to find out the number of links. So number of links are this fixed link. Here we can consider this fixed link is number 1 links. We can consider that links, or we can give naming to that links clockwise or anti-clockwise. Here I will give anti-clockwise naming. This will be the first number. This fixed link is also we can consider number 1. This second number links, this is crank. This will be the third link, that will be the connecting rod, and this is the fourth piston. So this will be the 4 links are there. So number of links are how many links? 4 links. So here we have to find out the next we have to find out the lower pair. The lower pairs are denoted by P1 letter. So P1 lower pairs, this will be the first lower pair, this will be second. Here links in between or pair in between that connecting rod and that piston, this will be the third pair, and contact in between piston and this fixed. So here number of lower pairs are 4. Number of higher pairs, so in that single slider mechanism there is no line contact or point contact. Due to that reason this P2 or higher pairs will become 0. So all values we have to put here. So here we will get F is equal to 3 and number of links are 4 minus 1 minus 2 P1. Number of lower pairs, this will be the 4. Number of higher pairs, that will be 0. So here we will put all values, and here we will get degree of freedom. That degree of freedom of this mechanism will be 1.